I can't believe Madison is about to be 3 next week. Like, where did time freaking go? It was just the other day I'm packing my bags to go to the hospital. But I don't think I'm gonna do anything for her. I kept her first birthday, and I don't think I'll ever keep her birthday again, because that stress, no, I don't want it. I'm gonna go to the cake shop, and this person made cake for her twice, so hopefully it's not too late, because I know certain places be like 2 weeks or a week notice. So hopefully me being an actual customer will, you know, get me the cake. And I'm outside of school because I'm trying to get her in school for September, so I had to drop off some documents and stuff. But after that, I'm heading home because I have to go get her dressed, because she has therapy today, and I want to stop by the mall because I haven't been to Zara in maybe a month or 2 because they've been renovating. So hopefully that's open, because what the hell. And I'm kind of mad that I didn't get anything on Zara sale, so hopefully they're open so I can see what they have. Guess what I'm about to do today, y'all? I'm about to braid my own damn hair. Okay? Period. Because I ain't paying nobody $420 for some braids. Are you crazy? So these are the braids that I got. I don't really know much about braids. Actually, that worked there. She suggested these. I'm gonna do the rubber band method. Hopefully it works. And she told me to also get this gels. Let's see how this work out.
Wow. Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know how to track. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they were back. Well, she loved me so much, it's the night she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Hey. 4S touching, stepping on shit till it's black. He brought me the money, stood up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, that's that sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds ain't hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spine. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his time. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Yo, so this the braids. I'm done, and I don't know if I like it. Like, I haven't had braids in like 15 years, 16 maybe. I don't remember, but I don't know. I'm just a wig girly, so I guess it gotta like grow on me a bit. But don't expect it to look the best, because this is my first time ever doing braids by myself. I'm a beginner. I'll probably redo the back because these three are like super big. Or I might just leave it because ain't nobody got time. But let's see how long I keep this for, because I'm honestly trying to give wigs a break. I like rock my natural hair. And if you guys saw my last vlog, I was kind of transparent about having Trichotillomania. So I'm really trying my hardest not to like pull on my hair. And even when I had wigs, I was still pulling on my hair, but not as much as when it's loose. And then because I have a natural texture, it makes pulling way easier for me because that's the texture I tend to like. Then if I had it perm, I wouldn't pull it because, yeah. And honestly, I don't want to perm my hair again, so that's like out the picture. So I just have to like discipline myself to not pull out my hair, and it's like really hard. Like I know a lot of people be like, oh, just stop, or just do this, just do that. Like, bitch, it's not that easy. Like even with me having these braids now, you think like, okay, that's gonna stop me from pulling. Like it's really not. Y'all are making salmon today. Same day ship some coconut oil because I started my oil pulling journey. I know I showed it in my last vlog, but I didn't really get into details. But I've been oil pulling since June 29th. Today is July 22, and I haven't seen a drastic change, to be honest, but my mouth feel like fresh. I'm not saying that it wasn't fresh before, but yeah. So this is a brand that I use, and the texture is disgusting. Like I can't get used to the texture. So y'all, I started my day at 6 this morning, and I'm like super proud of myself because I'm the type I'll sleep in until like 10 o'clock. But I've been really trying to like get into a routine, like wake up early, get more done. Plus I also need to practice going to bed early because I be up witching hours, like 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, sometimes 3. And it's rubbing off on Madison because Madison be up with me around that time. But yeah, I've been really enjoying getting up early. I started this last week, but you know, I still get up like around 8, which is kind of good for me, but you know, it's a start. But I was really surprised I was up like 6 o'clock. Like, who am I? So like in the mornings when I wake up, the first thing that I do is pray, because I feel like I've been disconnected with my Jesus, and I don't like that for me. That's not how I grew up. That's not, like, I need to get it together. Like, we used to go together real bad. I find myself not reading the Bible no more. I'm really back. So I try to pray every night and every morning because he was the one who woke me up this morning, so I got to be grateful, you know. And also I'm trying to incorporate skincare every day, because I ain't even gonna front, like, I know the girlies come up here and be like, oh, I do skincare every day. Like, I don't know, it's like for me, like, I really don't. And another thing that I want to add is drinking water. Like, I lack drinking water. This right here is what quenches my thirst, and I know this is really bad. Like this morning, like I said, I didn't eat no breakfast, and this was the first thing I had. Like right now in my Amazon cart, I have 24 cans of the Red Bull. I don't think I'm gonna buy it though, because yeah. Let me just stop this rambling because I really need to go drop off these documents. I'm here chatting it up with y'all, and today I want to make some spicy shrimp tacos. I was supposed to make it from the other day, but I went to the supermarket and still forgot some of the ingredients. So I'm going back today to grab a few stuff because I need pepper. I need Scotch Bonnet pepper. Like, I need my food spicy. I'm also receiving some pots from Amazon. I'm like super excited and I can't wait to show y'all. And I'm obsessed with these pots, and I feel like y'all need it too because and I want them to hurry up and get here because I want to make my tacos in my new pots. And if they get here too late, then we're gonna have to do it tomorrow. But let's go for real. My day I saw at Chatapastam. So this is one of the pots, and it comes with 2 frying pans. Honestly, I only needed one, but what the hell. And this is the bigger one. The whole reason I bought this is for this feature in particular. I thought it was different, and I like the whole concept. So this is a handle, and it could literally fit on any one of these pots. Okay, period. Typical taco, okay? Period. This tastes so freaking good. It's like everything that's in it is so balanced. It's crazy. Because the shrimp is like super spicy. And then I add plantains, which is sweet. And then the guacamole, which is kind of like tangy. So it's like really good. And with the tortilla, I toasted it in the pan with butter. So, I don't think that Mexicans make guacamole like me. I'm just saying. Oh my god. That shit is busting. Hand across the fucking board. Like, do you hear me? And I'm not just saying that because I made it, but like, oh my god. This is probably the best taco I ever had. I don't really like cabbage in my tacos, so I kind of like freestyle this. And it's a hit. It's a fucking hit. It's a motherfucking hit. Woo!